You can adjust your clutch to exact factory specs in less than 3 seconds. It's so easy, anyone can do it, and you don't need any tools. Just put your toe under the clutch pedal, pull up, wait a second, and then release. I'll do it again in case you missed it. Put your toe under the clutch pedal, pull up, wait a second, and then release. That's it. That's really all there is to it. The clutch is now perfectly adjusted to factory specs. In case you're wondering how it could possibly be this simple to do, I'll take you under the dashboard so you can see what happens when you pull up on the clutch pedal. Now you have a complete view of the clutch pedal linkage, which consists of the clutch pedal lever, the clutch pedal shaft lever, and at the very end, the clutch pedal quadrant, which is the key component. Here's a better view of the quadrant. When you pull up on the pedal, the pawl bears against the upstop and disengages from the quadrant. At that moment, the quadrant can rotate independently of the clutch shaft lever, but under the tension of the torsion spring. So the tension of the torsion spring is transferred to the clutch cable. When you release the pedal, the pawl re-engages, and the static tension of the clutch cable is now equal to the tension of the torsion spring, which just so happens to be the factory specified preload for the throwout bearing. And there you have it. Due to the quadrant, all you have to do is pull up on the clutch pedal to set your clutch to factory specs. I should mention that the quadrant also works automatically. So, under normal usage, the clutch will never be out of adjustment by more than 1 tooth on the quadrant. But if you do a lot of power shifting where you're not letting up on the gas when you shift, it's a good idea to adjust your clutch before every race to ensure maximum clamping force. The good thing is it takes less than a few seconds and you don't even have to get out of your car.